I got my first octopus. He was out watching me. Here's the egg sac. So let's check what that does. It's just a little guy, but the little guys are the tastiest. Hi everyone! Today I am going to be cooking some octopus. Yep, I've caught these octopus in the past. You've probably seen videos with that. And today I'm going to try a new recipe. I've only made this once before. It's really delicious. It's going to be deep fried octopus. So let me show you the octopus I've chosen for today. Now, I have 4 small octopus here that I'm going to cook up. And this will work for the tiny octopus that I've caught because they're still tender. And I've already cut one up. I'm going to make them into little pieces so that these are going to be our hors d'oeuvres for dinner. Have some friends coming over and they're going to try it. So I've been saving these small octopus for just the right occasion. Let me show you how I'm going to cut these. Okay, so here's the octopus. And I'm going to cut off the bell, the body. That's where all of its guts were. They've already been cleaned out in the ocean. And I'm going to use this, and I'm going to cut off the legs from this area where the brain is. I don't want to use that. So I've already put one to the side. We'll just use the leg. You need a sharp knife because I haven't done anything. I haven't cooked this or put salt on it or anything like that. They're just a nice tender octopus, so there's really no need. So I'm just going to set this aside. You could eat that also. And then I have the legs, and just going to separate each leg. And then cut this piece and then a long piece. Okay, so cut the legs in 2. So I've got a nice sharp knife here. You can do this. You could probably also boil this for a little while to make it easier to cut and to make it more tender. But my friends in Ulithi cooked this for me 3 years ago when I went to visit. We caught some octopus and then she fried them up, and I was like, whoo, this is so delicious. So now we're gonna have that for tonight's hors d'oeuvres before the main dinner, or with the main dinner. All of it. All of it's going on. So that's one octopus. I'm going to cut the other 2. And then I'm going to show you how I'm going to make the batter. Back again to show you the next step in cooking our deep fried octopus. What I've done here is I've made an egg wash, and we've got our flour mixture. Inside the flour mixture, you have some onion, garlic, salt, and pepper mixed with that. And then I have some octopus laying out here on the paper towel drying off, so it should stick well. And I'm not a pro at this, but let's see how it turns out. The oil is hot. Let's check it out, folks. So we'll stick some octopus in here. Dip it in the egg. Put it back in the flour. Stick it in there. It's almost hot enough. hear it. There we go. I'm cooking the fatter ones first, since it should take them a little longer to cook. All right, I'll be back later for the taste test. Okay, I just turned it. It's looking nice and brown there. All right, so I've got a few cooked here, and now I'm gonna try and taste it. Still hot. I think I need to cook it a little longer. It is a little bit tough. So that was a test. Come back later. All right, we've got quite a bit cooked here. We've got some in the pan and some over here left. But now I'm going to do another taste test. And, ooh, look at that. But I've got some special sauce over here. This is called roasted sesame dressing. It's actually a dressing they use at Sakura Noodle House. We went there a few weeks ago for lunch, and they let me buy a bottle. And now we're having octopus. Let's check it out. Oh my. Oh my. Yeah, when I was at the restaurant, I like dipped everything in this stuff. Oh my. This is really delicious. It comes from Japan, or actually they said they mix this up in their restaurant. So if you want some of that, you're gonna have to go there. But somebody told me they do make some pretty good stuff and bottle it up and sell it at Payless. So there might be some similar to that there. You could check it out. Now, just waiting for my friends to show up so we can have our special dinner. Now, some of you are probably wondering, how many octopus do you have left in your freezer? Are any of you wondering that? Let's check it out. My freezer is full of octopus. Let's see, here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and I'm not sure if there's any underneath in the back. There could be more. So let's just say I'll be eating octopus for a while, or giving it to somebody that loves to eat octopus. You know who you are. So if you want your name on an octopus, please let me know. Okay, we're here to try some octopus with Jenny and Laura. They're going at it here. So Jenny, how is it?
It's delicious. Take a little bit of it. I should do the tentacle right there.
Ooh.
I'm gonna get in some Japanese dressing. I think I need more dressing, actually.
Oh, yes.
This is the sesame dressing.
Mm-hmm.
Although it'd be good with sweet and sour sauce too.
Can't go wrong with octopus.
Yeah.
Especially fried.
That's right. We all love octopus anyways. So here we go. We're all gonna eat that. Mm. Mm.
It's tender.
All right. That's all. We're gonna eat now. Well, hey guys. It's the next day after we had our dinner, and I had a lot of octopus left over, and I sent some home with Laura. I wonder if she's eating it right now like I am, but I have a lot of octopus left over. So I'm gonna use my special sauce and eat it again as a leftover. And I bet it's still so tasty. I just heated it up in the microwave. Mmm. It is still delicious. So I'm gonna go have my lunch, and I'll probably sometime in the future show you how to make another delicious octopus dish.